Have you ever wondered why some people can eat almost anything without digestive problems, while others feel bloated, tired, or uncomfortable after even a normal meal? The surprising truth is that the problem is often not the food itself, it's the condition of your gut. Inside your digestive system live trillions of bacteria that control far more than just digestion. These microbes influence your immunity, metabolism, energy levels, and even your mood. But when this delicate balance gets disrupted by modern lifestyle habits, processed foods, stress, irregular meals, your gut begins sending warning signals. Bloating, gas, constipation, fatigue after eating. Many people try to fix these symptoms with digestive pills, detox drinks, or expensive probiotic supplements. But most of these solutions only treat the symptoms while ignoring the real cause. The good news is that your gut is incredibly resilient. When you give it the right support, it can begin repairing itself surprisingly quickly. In this video, we'll explore the real science behind gut health and the natural steps that can help restore your digestive balance. And one of these simple habits, which many people completely ignore, can make the biggest difference for your gut. So if you want better digestion, more energy, and a healthier body, let's begin. To understand how to improve gut health, we first need to understand why it matters so much. Inside your digestive tract lives a vast community of microorganisms known as the gut microbiome. Scientists estimate that trillions of bacteria live in the intestines, and these microbes perform many essential functions. They help break down complex carbohydrates, produce certain vitamins, regulate inflammation, and support your immune system. In fact, nearly 70% of the body's immune activity is linked to the gut. But the gut does more than support digestion and immunity. Research has also revealed a strong connection between the gut and the brain, often called the gut-brain axis. Signals constantly travel between the digestive system and the nervous system. This is one reason why gut problems can sometimes influence mood, focus, and energy levels. However, this delicate system can easily become disrupted. Highly processed foods, excess sugar, antibiotics, chronic stress, and irregular eating patterns can damage the balance of bacteria in the gut. When this balance is disturbed, harmful microbes may begin to dominate while beneficial bacteria decline. As a result, digestion slows down, inflammation increases, and symptoms such as bloating, constipation, fatigue, or food intolerance may begin to appear. Many people ignore these early signs, but they are often the body's way of signaling that the gut environment needs attention. The first step toward restoring gut health is surprisingly simple: reduce the foods that irritate the digestive system. Many modern foods place a heavy burden on digestion. Highly processed snacks, fried foods, sugary drinks, and packaged products often contain additives and preservatives that disrupt the gut microbiome. For some individuals, dairy products may cause bloating due to lactose intolerance. Others may experience discomfort from gluten-containing foods such as bread, pasta, or biscuits. These foods are not necessarily harmful for everyone, but for individuals with sensitive digestion, they can trigger inflammation and digestive distress. During the initial phase of improving gut health, it can be helpful to focus on simple and easily digestible meals. Lightly cooked vegetables such as bottle gourd, ridge gourd, and spinach are gentle on the stomach while providing essential nutrients. Lentils like moong dal or masoor dal offer plant-based protein and fiber that support digestion without overwhelming the digestive system. Traditional dishes such as steamed rice or simple Khichdi are often recommended in many cultures when digestion needs support because they are easy to digest and nourishing. Herbal teas made with ginger, fennel, or tulsi may also help reduce gas and promote smoother digestion. By simplifying meals and reducing irritating foods, the digestive system gets an opportunity to calm down and reset. Once inflammation begins to settle, the next important step is nourishing the beneficial bacteria in your gut. One of the most important nutrients for these microbes is fiber. Fiber acts as fuel for healthy gut bacteria and supports the movement of food through the digestive tract. Diets rich in plant foods tend to promote a more diverse and resilient microbiome. Vegetables, whole grains, legumes, seeds, and fruits all provide different forms of fiber that nourish beneficial bacteria. Foods such as oats, vegetable poha, cooked leafy greens, and legumes can support digestive balance while providing essential nutrients. Seeds such as chia seeds and flax seeds contain soluble fiber that forms a gel-like consistency in the digestive tract, helping regulate bowel movements and supporting gut microbes. Root vegetables like carrots, beetroot, and sweet potatoes also provide fiber along with antioxidants that protect the gut lining. However, fiber must always be accompanied by adequate hydration. Without enough water, fiber may slow digestion instead of improving it. That is why drinking sufficient fluids throughout the day is essential when increasing fiber intake. Water, coconut water, cumin water, and buttermilk can all help maintain hydration while supporting digestion. After preparing the digestive system with gentle foods and fiber, the next step is restoring beneficial bacteria through probiotic foods. Probiotics are live microorganisms that help maintain a healthy balance in the gut. Fermented foods have long been part of traditional diets around the world because they naturally contain beneficial bacteria. Homemade yogurt and buttermilk are among the simplest probiotic foods and can help repopulate the gut with helpful microbes. Fermented dishes such as idli, dosa, and dokla also introduce beneficial bacteria produced during the fermentation process. Traditional fermented drinks like carrot congee can further support microbial diversity in the gut. These foods help strengthen the gut barrier, improve nutrient absorption, and may reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. While many commercial probiotic drinks are marketed as health products, they often contain added sugar or preservatives that may limit their benefits. For most people, natural fermented foods remain one of the most effective and affordable ways to support gut bacteria. Another factor that strongly influences digestion is your daily routine. The digestive system follows a natural biological rhythm that responds to sleep, activity, and meal timing. When meals are eaten at irregular times or late at night, this rhythm becomes disrupted, and digestion may become less efficient. Establishing consistent daily habits can help restore this natural rhythm. Starting the morning with a glass of lukewarm water can stimulate digestive activity. Eating meals at consistent times allows the body to prepare digestive enzymes in advance, improving digestion. Taking a short walk after meals can also help food move smoothly through the digestive tract. Allowing some time between dinner and sleep gives the stomach enough time to process food before the body enters its resting phase. These simple habits can significantly improve digestion over time. While short-term changes can provide relief, maintaining long-term gut health requires consistent lifestyle habits. One effective strategy is increasing the variety of plant-based foods in your diet. Different plant foods contain different types of fiber and nutrients that nourish different strains of beneficial bacteria. This is why many nutrition experts recommend consuming a wide range of vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains throughout the week. Colorful meals often provide the broadest range of nutrients and antioxidants. Another important factor is stress management. The gut and brain communicate constantly through the nervous system, and high stress levels can slow digestion and disrupt enzyme production. Simple habits like mindful eating, deep breathing, and short walks can help calm the nervous system and support digestive balance. Many digestive problems develop gradually because of small daily habits, irregular meals, processed foods, poor sleep, and stress. But the encouraging news is that the gut has a remarkable ability to recover when given the right support. By simplifying meals, increasing fiber, consuming fermented foods, staying hydrated, and maintaining a consistent routine, you can help restore the natural balance of your digestive system. When your gut becomes healthier, many other aspects of health begin to improve as well. Energy levels increase, digestion becomes smoother, and overall well-being improves. Taking care of your gut is not just about avoiding discomfort after meals. It is about supporting one of the most important systems in your body. And when your gut functions well, your entire body benefits.